3 things you want to change in your life.
Be a good Muslim.
Okay. Number 2.
Pray.
Okay. Finally.
Make a lot of friends. Be a better person.
Number 1 is food. Number 2, food. 3, food.
To be kind to people,
Okay.
to not use bad words, and to come to have a stronger tawheed.
Final question. Who would you want to invite here next time?
I'd like to invite my cousins, my friends and my family.
Friends and family to all come and join here.
Everybody. My family and my friends.
You.
Me? I'm already here.
Yeah, but I want to play with you, FIFA.
Yeah, I'll smoke you, man.
Yeah, you know you are.
Yeah, yes, you will.
I recommend this to Andrew Tate, first of all, because he just became Muslim. So,
Okay.
yeah, I think he should like learn about the more like better things to do in Islam.